And sitting behind that program is a massive reward catalog. Gift cards, Amazon, charities you could donate to, company branded swag, or these culture awards that could be fun internal, bond with your coworker type rewards. The software also automated the recognition of birthdays and work anniversaries. It just boosted collaboration across asynchronous companies.
Sure.
And then what we found once we launched that is the utilization was so high. We had like 95% participation on most companies that we launched into. And so all these other companies are like, hey, we have a performance management software, but nobody's using it. Can you do surveys? Can you do company announcements? Can you do one-on-ones? Can you do contests? Can you do wellness challenges? And so instead of building module by module, what we did was we actually took a form. Kind of think in your mind like SurveyMonkey, Google Forms, Office Forms, Typeform. We took a form builder and we said, with a form, if you manipulate it, you could do a million things. A one-on-one is a form. A survey is a form. A recognition post is actually just answering a form. So we now offered hundreds of different culture templates through the ability of our no-code form builder that allowed companies to use the software as they saw fit without having to buy another tool and another tool. And so once companies started using assembly for multiple things, we never thought, our first thought was not, we're going to be an employee intranet.